Start speaking English. Repeat after me and improve your spoken English from day one. Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English Daily Series. In this video, you'll practice speaking 10 basic sentences used in office conversation during work. This is video part 3 of 50 office English sentences. This video is perfect for beginners, Hindi speakers, students who understand English but can't speak, anybody afraid of speaking English. Practice speaking these simple English sentences. Just listen carefully and repeat. Don't worry about mistakes, don't worry about grammar. Let's practice 10 work-related sentences used in office conversation. Please review this document. Repeat slowly. Please review this document. Repeat confidently. Please review this document. This needs some changes. Repeat slowly. This needs some changes. Repeat confidently. This needs some changes. Please send me the details. Repeat slowly. Please send me the details. Repeat confidently. Please send me the details. I'll update you in 2 days. Repeat slowly. I'll update you in 2 days. Repeat confidently. I'll update you in 2 days. The deadline is tomorrow. Repeat slowly. The deadline is tomorrow. Repeat confidently. The deadline is tomorrow. But we need some more time. Repeat slowly. But we need some more time. Repeat confidently. But we need some more time. Let's work as a team. Repeat slowly. Let us work as a team. Repeat confidently. Let's work as a team. We will handle this. Repeat slowly. We'll handle this. Repeat confidently. We'll handle this. The task is almost done. Repeat slowly. The task is almost done. Repeat confidently. The task is almost done. The client has approved the project. Repeat slowly. The client has approved the project. Repeat confidently. The client has approved the project. Did you practice speaking with me? Great job. Remember, every sentence you speak makes you more confident from day one. Want to learn some professional sentences? Follow part 4 of 50 office English sentences. Now save this video and practice speaking again. Comment done after you practice. This time, imagine the situation, think and speak. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Like and share the video if you found it helpful.